Hi everyone, Tim here from Mentor on Property with another 1 minute mentoring. Today's mentoring is on the back of last week's, so if you haven't seen last week's, have a quick look. And it's around the two biggest reasons why people don't build the portfolios that they first set out to build. Today's reason, being the second reason, is scarcity. People don't focus on it, and it really is the biggest driver of real estate prices. Demand coming in, scarcity, and bidding up prices, people fighting over to get into that particular suburb. The reason people don't focus on scarcity is they're taken away from it. When they call someone, a supposed real estate expert, for help, they're often driven towards these land estates where they can just keep releasing land as far as the eye can see. And they're basically, they basically take it as gospel from this expert that this is the way to do it. Now, so I can understand why people don't focus on scarcity often in real estate. It's cheap. And that's all they really focus on. So keep that in mind. You want to find a spot where there's price pressure, which means scarcity and demand. That's the simplicity of it. The other way doesn't pass the pub test and it doesn't actually work. Speak to you in the next 1 minute mentoring.